I'm a welder, and over the last 28 years of my career as a CWB qualified welder and a journey person, I've had the amazing experience to work all across Canada and around the world. Having the ability to try new jobs, venture down different career paths, and go on adventures has been some of the most rewarding aspects of my career. The key to our success is the network that we have across this country, a vast network of people that support us. Being able to share our stories, our experiences, share our abilities to work together is what makes it so important how we give back to the industry. The educators, mentors, engineers, and community advocates give us an opportunity to experience new things and expand our careers in ways you've never dreamed of. Our community is strong. Over the last 100 years in Canada, we have had a dedicated community of volunteers that has accompanied us step by step, torch in hand, through our growth as a country. Everything that we see around us, the bridges, the schools, the products that we sell, this is part of what we do in this group. The CWB qualifications that we work to and the standards that we invest into are part of the same investment that go back into our membership. The CWB Association has been key to giving us in the industry an opportunity to succeed, ensuring that we keep our jobs, our industry, and our opportunities to grow as steel workers sustainable and safe for generations to come.